Justice Mudgal has spoken exclusively to Times Now, saying that he is not willing to comment on the aftermath of his report. Take a listen.
Supreme Court made very strong observations about the IPL fixing saga, and with me is Justice Mukul Mudgal right now. So the Supreme Court has said that Srinivasan has a conflict of interest, not directly, but that administrators are owning teams also.
Look, I cannot say anything about pending proceedings. I've told you time and again, I will not comment about them. There's no point in your wasting time and asking me these questions again and again.
So is there a chance that Chennai and Rajasthan will be terminated?
I'm in no position to say anything about the aftermath of my report.
So Supreme Court has also, told Srinivasan not to just presume that he has a clean chit based only on the conclusions of the Mudgal report.
This is again asking him to comment about what's been said in the Supreme Court. I mean, this is a sub judice matter. I cannot comment about it, okay?
Right, there you heard Justice Mudgal saying that since the proceedings are still pending, there is not much to comment about. Remember, his report had really created a flutter in the cricketing world with several scathing observations against N. Srinivasan and other team owners. Shabbir is now joining me live. Shabbir, coming to you, after the court observations, would you say that this is a big setback for N. Srinivasan, who was hoping to be reinstated as the BCCI chief? The BCCI itself had been largely maintaining that he has been fully exonerated since he was not found scuttling the probe or found involved in betting and fixing. But now it seems there is a new issue, a larger issue of conflict of interest that is emerging against N. Srinivasan.
Reporter, sir. Well, this was something unexpected. Yesterday, when I spoke to someone from Srinivasan's legal camp, he was very hopeful that they will get some sort of an directive or an order from the Supreme Court on Srinivasan's reinstatement back as BCCI chief. And at the same point of time, when the Supreme Court came down heavily on the BCCI and its administrators, saying that it has become a mutually beneficial society and the glory of the game should be upheld. They did not expect such scathing observations from the Supreme Court, particularly yesterday when they were presuming that the Mudgal committee has given N. Srinivasan a clean chit, and also the BCCI has completely backed him. So armed with the BCCI backing and also a clean chit from the Mudgal committee's report, Srinivasan had approached the Supreme Court for reinstatement. But clearly the Supreme Court did not accept the argument that was put forth by Srinivasan and his legal team. And also at the same point of time, the BCCI had decided to defend IPL CEO Sundar Raman, who was in touch with bookies. So clearly, it's a huge setback for N. Srinivasan, and also at the same point of time, a huge embarrassment for the BCCI. Back to
you. At the same time, of course, apparently the BCCI has further argued that, the issue of conflict of interest is not even within the ambit of the Justice Mudgal committee. So that's something that they are raising. And also at this point in time, are we to now believe that the onus is clearly on N. Srinivasan to prove that there was actually no conflict of interest?
Well, clearly now the onus is completely on N. Srinivasan to somehow try and convince the court that there is no conflict of interest involved. But clearly the Supreme Court yesterday, the tone of Supreme Court itself has sent across a clear message to Srinivasan's camp, saying that they are in no mood to accept the arguments that have been put forth by Srinivasan, saying that he has got a clean chit. And where the parting comment of the Supreme Court yesterday was very clear that don't presume that you have a clean chit, because it's yet to the matter is still pending.